People do not understand diversification. I hear this every single time. I'm going to buy one ETF and a mutual fund, diversification, even though they have the exact same stocks in them. Diversification only really works when your risk factors are different. What that means, if you buy stocks and you buy something else that goes up and down, has high returns and then low returns at the exact same time as stocks, you haven't really diversified your risk away. For example, a lot of private equity, meaning just private businesses, also move up and down in the economy the same way public businesses do, especially when they're bigger. It's a little different maybe if you have, a $1 million mom and pop shop, but if you are a $1 billion private equity company, yeah, you probably move the same way a lot of public companies do because you have a lot of the same underlying factors. And there are different asset classes that move in coordination, but a lot of times when people talk about diversification, they talk specifically about stocks. And with stocks being fully diversified just with owning, a few. And if they move in the same direction at the same time, should you own multiple? It probably helps, at least with most research papers. But it's not the same thing as owning other asset classes. And other asset classes, you have to make sure, historically, when you look at price charts and movements and think about risk factors, that they actually have different risks and different timing of when they go up and down. You can have actual correlation factors that you can draw between them over depending on which time periods you set them on, but even if you just did the basics of, bonds have different risk factors than stocks, and you look at the price and they don't really move together. That's something. Now, where this gets trickier, when people consider which asset classes also have diversification, they forget about how close everything now moves together. Because there's so much government intervention in the market, a lot of things move in ways they're not necessarily really supposed to. We're like, if there's a market crash and we inject $2 trillion into the economy, it's going to affect the way everything works. For example, real estate is a completely different asset class than stocks, but the correlation isn't actually that far off. Meaning it's not exact, but you're not getting as much diversification from something like real estate as you would with maybe, something like gold or with something like bonds or cash. And when you're trying to pick which investments you want, you have to fully consider risk because it is the thing that we can pick out a lot better than just returns. Returns, yes, we can see, but we tend to get a lot more averages than being able to pick out individual, security selection. When I say security, I mean basically individual stocks. Because we have AI and computers that can just pick based on the brand new information just like that. Makes a huge difference. So when you're picking assets, being able to understand the actual risk factors involved, and then on top of this, looking at the math of when are things timing to each other makes a huge difference. Another example I think I see all the time is crypto versus stocks. Technically different. There is diversification. But you have two different asset classes that tend to move up and down with fear in the market or when the market is doing well. And when I say the market, I mean the entire economy. If the economy is doing really well, stock market probably up. Crypto probably up. If people are scared out of their minds of what's happening in the world, both probably not great. And you could say that about a lot of things, but having diversification, which is one of the most, if not the most beneficial way to deal with risk we have quantifiably seen over the past 50 years, if you cannot find a way to understand how to use that well, it makes it so that you can have a lot worse outcomes. And we don't want that. So take the time to understand why you're picking what you're picking and how it works with everything else that you own. Having a full picture, not just one or two things at a time.